today's video, we will be talking about the common questions tungkol sa Wise Money Transfer. So questions like this, or this. Di lang po yan. May nagtanong rin po sa akin, bakit iba yung logo na ginagamit mo nung first ever Wise video mo sa na-download ko na application ngayon? Well, as of this recording po, iba na po yung logo nila. At meron din po silang mga new updates na inilalagay doon, which was way back 2023, they already have updated their own application po. And let's take a look at their new Wise app. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I provide you with informations about personal finance and self-improvement. In today's video, we will be addressing some questions about Wise Money Transfer. So if you've been wondering about the legitimacy of Wise, its availability in the Philippines, transfer limits, and more, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in. Is Wise Money Transfer a legit transfer service? Absolutely. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise according to their website, is a well-established and reputable money transfer service that has been operating since 2011. So I have a previous video also regarding sa Wise where you can check it out over on my description box below. Moving on to the second question, which compromises, I think, 50 to 80% sa inyong nagtatanong po sa akin. Is Wise available in the Philippines? So my answer to that is yes. So there were new updates from 2023 of September, if I'm not mistaken, that Wise is available in the Philippines already. So with that, pwede na kayong mag-register and open a personal account kung nasa Pinas kayo. If your registered address is in the Philippines, you can now send money. Kasi before, receive and spend lang ang pwede mong ma-avail within sa services nila sa Wise app mo. You just need to verify your identity and proof of address as well. So according to their website, during your transfer process, makikita nyo sa flow kung ano-ano ang kailangan nila for verification, such as IDs, bills, documents na nakapangalan po sa inyo. They will send you notifications naman sa app or email kung paano mag-submit ng mga documents nyo. So, kung hindi pa kayo completely verified, di nyo pa po magagamit ang services fully ng Wise. So, if you want to register on Wise, gamitin nyo lang po yung link na ipo-provide ko po dito sa description box below po sa video na to para easy lang po yung access nyo to register on your first ever Wise account. Also, for you to have a discount on your first money transfer. So, I hope na klaro ko na po yun, no? Now, let's tackle on the next question. What are the minimum and maximum amounts for money transfer and how long does it take? So, yung Wise po ay nagpro-provide din po sila ng flexible money transfer limit and amounts. That is why hanggang ngayon, nagwa-Wise pa rin po ako. Ever since po na ginamit ko po siya, I have a very nice experience from them. So, take note, hindi po to sponsor ng Wise. Pero iba't iba naman po tayo ng preferences, no? If ever you're using another application or services po, which is palagay nyo komportable din po kayo at good naman yung experience nyo po sa kanila, well, I absolutely respect that po. So the minimum amount that you can transfer varies depending on the currency and country, but generally, there are no excessive high minimum requirements. So kung magta-transfer kayo, try nyo muna po yung increments ng 10. Magmamark naman po yan sa screen nyo po kung hindi pwede or hindi po kasya yung balance nyo. But my wise advice would be plan your transfer first. And I mean, kung regular na rin po rin naman kayong nagpapadala sa Pilipinas or from anywhere in the world, make sure po na makakatipid kayo because every day the rate changes. So if you have a rate in mind already, like, okay, sa range na to, okay lang kung magpadala. So, or you can set it up automatically po to convert and transfer your money from your Wise account to the other bank account. As for the maximum transfer po, it also varies. But yung Wise po ay nagda-transfer substantially sums amount of money. So like if you are in the Philippines, you can send and receive money as much as I think 400k if hindi po ako nagkakamali, or just try to check it out on their website po. So the exact time frame may depends on some factors such as po yung currency, country, and payment method you use. Based on my experience, if you transfer from your Wise app to, let's say, your e-wallet such as GCash or Maya, it will only take 15 minutes. But if you're transferring from Wise app going to your bank account, for example in the Philippines, it will take sometimes more than 15 minutes, or it will take 2 hours. Meron din po usually 2 business days, depende po yan talaga. In my case, sa mga previous transfer ko po, it just only takes 15 minutes to an hour, that's it. Hindi pa po ako naka-experience ng umabot ng days na dumating po yung pera ko. So, before tayo magpatuloy, if you find this video helpful and with value, please hit the subscribe button and share it with others so that you will be updated on my next videos. Alright? Can I use my Wise account to receive my salary or manage my investment portfolio? Well, absolutely. Wise offers various features that makes it suitable for salary transfers and managing your investment portfolio. At also, yung Wise po ay nagpo-provide ng iba't ibang account inside your app. Like if you want to open a Philippine account, yes. New Zealand account, yes. Australian, Canada, US account, you can open that one inside your Wise app. So for example po, if you're in the Philippines and you have a client from, let's say, Australia, and then they're gonna pay you an Australian dollar, and wala po kayong dollar account sa bangko po sa Pilipinas. If you have a Wise account, makaka-open po kayo ng Australian account inside sa Wise app. All you have to do is to set up your Wise account to receive your salary from your employer directly. Magbibigay po sila ng account number nyo. So, yun account number na yun yung ibibigay nyo sa client nyo so that if they will send an Australian dollar, it will transfer from your client to your account as an Australian dollar as well. So, kung same currency lang po sila, that means less lang po yung transfer fee na babayaran. When you compare it, if you transfer from Australian dollar, convert it to Philippine peso, or convert it to other currency, medyo malaki-laki po yung service fee, or let's say transfer fee na gagamitin nyo po. So, mababawasan medyo yung commission nyo or yung sweldo nyo po. So, my advice would be, it's better if you transfer from same currency para po less lang po yung service fee. Usually, if you have transactions outside your country, malaki po yung mga conversion rate, service fee, mga ganon. So, if you're using your Wise or if you have a Wise account, makaka-less po kayo ng conversion fee or service fee. So, isa sa brokerage account na pwede yung Wise is yung eToro. eToro is an investment brokerage account from outside the Philippines or from other countries. But unfortunately, it is not available in the Philippines po. But if you're outside the Philippines and then you have an eToro account and you also have a Wise account, then pwede po kayong mag-transfer or mag-receive ng money from your investment portfolio to your Wise account or vice versa. So mga ka-OFW po natin, malalaman nyo po kung available po yung Wise money transfer sa bansa kung nasaan man kayo ngayon. Just search, is Wise money transfer available in my country, ganon. Or simply visit their website po. I will provide a link which directs you to the Wise website para hindi po kayo mahirapan maghanap kung saan po kayo magsi-search. So pag wala pa po kayong Wise account, you can open a Wise account anytime you want or anytime you're ready. And ipo-provide ko na lang po sa description box yung link kung saan po kayo pwedeng mag-open ng account. Which is, kung gagamitin niyo po yan, meron po kayong discounted rate or let's say, yung first ever transfer niyo po, makaka-discount po kayo nun. And that's wrap up of today's video. I hope I answered some of your questions. And continue using Wise Money Transfer po if you're comfortable with it. So if you have more inquiries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer your questions. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!